Yeah, we begin with our butter, we melt it, and we use half a cup of butter or 115 grams of butter. We put it on the stove, then we melt it. Yeah, when it's done melting, we add our sugar. For the sugar, we use 1 cup of sugar, just 1 cup of sugar. Yes. So you mix the sugar with our melted butter, you mix everything together. Next is our egg. We use 1 egg, we break it from the side, then mix it with the sugar and the melted butter. Yes, next is our flour, all purpose flour, and we use 180 grams, which is about 2 cups of flour. 2 cups of flour. Then our cocoa powder. I first added drinking chocolate, sweet drinking chocolate. It's what I usually use, so I first added that, and I put 3 teaspoons of the drinking chocolate. Then I added the cocoa powder. I used still 3 teaspoons, sorry, tablespoons, not tablespoons of cocoa powder. Next is our baking powder, whereby we put 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Yeah, so you mix everything together. You can see we have everything mixed in one bowl. We used a saucepan, okay? Then we added the vanilla essence. Yeah, we added the vanilla essence. It helps with the taste and the scent and everything. So we used chocolate. You know, I always have this big bar of chocolate that I usually use. So we chopped it into pieces. Then, yeah, you can see after cutting it into pieces. Yeah, those are the ones we use in the cookies. So next we prepare our pan, our baking pan or tray. Yeah, you oil it. I don't know why I use lots of butter. It's like I own the factory or something. Yeah, so after that we put the chocolate in the middle, the chocolate pieces and some on top. Then we are gonna put in our oven that we did preheat. Yeah, don't forget to preheat the oven. So you bake for some time. Yeah, don't forget, at times you have to put the mixtures, the cookie dough into the fridge for about 30 minutes. Though I hate that step, but it's necessary. It helps with the flavors and the taste. But after that, you take it out and bake. You bake you bake for about 13 minutes at 180 degrees. 180 degrees for about 13 minutes. Then the cookies are ready. You can see chocolate. Yeah, everything is melting and dripping. So I hope you enjoy the recipe. Bye. Today's video is very short and brief, but yeah, don't forget to put the cookie mix in the fridge for 30 minutes before baking. Yes. Bye.